Hey, I'm Nick from Dorman Products. Welcome to our video on OE fixed control arms for Tesla vehicles. Tesla is known for the innovative vehicles they build. However, sometimes innovation is trumped by tradition. Upper control arms found in models X, Y, and 3 are of a state-of-the-art design made of a hybrid steel and composite polymer called FRP, or fiber reinforced plastic. On the plus side, this is a very light and strong control arm. On the other hand, the strength could be questionable and the method of attaching the ball joint leads to a noticeable seam. These ball joints have been known to creak and squeak, and separation of the ball stud from its socket in the joint has also been documented. Tesla addressed this issue in Service Bulletin 2031-006. They correctly identify the problem, which is water ingress to the ball joint, but then state that this is exclusively an NVH condition and does not result in premature failure of the ball joints. Well, we beg to differ. In the TSB, Tesla has technicians seal those seams where the ball joint connects with the control arm to keep water out. But you have to ask yourself, what causes a ball joint to creak, or exactly what is being sealed? In almost all cases, joints make noise due to rust and pitting within the joint. We feel water is getting into the joints by way of these seams, and the units we've taken apart have yielded rust residue inside the ball joints, solidifying our diagnosis. So we decided to build a better control arm. We have redesigned the control arm with stamped steel arms attached to forged steel housings in which the ball joints sit. What does this mean to you? The control arms don't have this plastic water trap and revert to the conventional design which has been in play for many decades. These arms are also significantly stronger than the hybrid steel and FRP arms found on these cars from the factory. Installation is pretty straightforward. Simply disconnect the ball joint from the spindle upright, then unbolt the A-arm at each end. From there, you can reinstall the arm, button up the ball joint, and take it to the rack for an alignment. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always eager to help. Thanks for checking out our video on these OE fixed control arm assemblies for Tesla vehicles. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.